This is my cat in a cup.
What I ate,
He likes drinking.
I had 2 this morning.
Drinking water.
I had 1
Sometimes he likes milk. Oh, hello, Dad.
with nothing on it. Just salt, peanut butter,
Do 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 do. Yes. His head is in a cup. Wonderful cup. And this is Meryl. Walking along.
Alright.
Being cute.
I'll see you.
I'll tell you what. Can I get more milk? 1% milk?
That's it.
Okay, would you get more 1%
What you
milk?
drinking?
Papa?
Drinking water.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. And,
Oh, that's right. Do the pausing.
Yep.
Do the pausing.
And TP.
Doing the pause.
TP
Do the pausing.
and Nicole?
Dun 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 dun.
Totally feels like that was really not that deep.
What? Hurry. Just drop the other shoe. No!
Flip?
Nikki, do you think I should get him?
They don't.
He's
I don't
obsessed
think
with
they're
water.
not Kevin eats them. Kevin likes them.
Fine, I'll get him. What else?
Toilet paper.
That's it.
Yeah.
What else are we craving? You were telling Nikki?
No, I have that.
Oh, okay, fine.
Tomato.
Oh. Don't lose your cup.
Warm. What's wrong with it? There's nothing wrong with it. You could
Close the door.
No. It's perfect.
Back to drinking, don't they?
That's a perfectly fine
That's
thing
right.
to have. Especially they're always saying nowadays you should have to make it full of fancy before you dinner. But seriously, Nikki, it wouldn't be bad for you. If you're really craving it, you don't want to get up late at night and eat something you shouldn't. You should just have
Yes.
something to do.
Drinking cat.